Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Popeye DGM9 with my little brother here. We are shooting his pellet gun. It shoots 495.
Just got it last night too.
Yeah, he got it last night. Sorry for the wind.
It's really windy here though.
I'll add music into this. Close to the house. We are shooting some cans this time. Again, it's still windy as you can tell. My brother's shooting the Pringles. Hey Rogan! I'm gonna try to shoot 2 cans, see if they'll go through. And then I'm just gonna... Right there is the cans. My hair is annoying, so I put my head up over. That's what before. I don't know how well you'll see that. Here, I should use this one like candle. From Call of Duty.
Look up. I'm on the table.
Oh, my ring. Oh. Yeah, it's dented the second one though.
I wouldn't want to do to a potato. Okay.
Yeah, we use potato.
Awesome.
Oh, I shoot potato.
Hopefully this freaking stops. He's shooting a potato. I ate those. Hi, buddy.
Oh,
You should have shot that one.
right.
Wait.
I know, I want to see what happens if I get shot by a potato.
Oh.
Alright. Watch it not move. Cat flies off.
What?
Imagine that. All right.
What?
Lay down, it's better.
That's in my eyes.
I know that.
Potato. Why would you attack
Here.
potato?
Roll over here. Don't go under the. That's why I moved it.
I broke it. How can we move this? I'm gonna go set up.
Yep.
So, yeah, when we get a tripod, all I have to do is that.
Yeah. I know a tripod means it up, pointing up.
So lay down.
Yeah.
Right, this is getting in my way.
You hit the tree way down back.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can hear it. It echoed. All you hear was it hit a branch.
yeah, I'm not.
You want it? Not right now. Can you move out of my way? Well,
What's going on?
uh-huh. I hit it.
What?
The potato.
Really?
I hit Mr. Potato Head.
Hey! Get him! He's out
I've been getting money, I've been
Alright,
Is your bullet hit?
no. Seriously. Alright, my hair is now a mess because of the fucking rain. Or not rain. Wind.
Okay, go inside.
Alright, that's what
Ronnie,
we're
go,
shooting
go
at.
put your hand up.
What?
Go put your hand up over there.
Fuck off, Logan. That's not even funny.
I want to shoot it.
I want to shoot you, but I can't. Because then it would have been attempt murder. Yeah, it would.
Like this. And
You're gonna break the safety. And again, Mom said to be responsible. Well, you're not fucking being responsible. You're being retarded.
that's thingy. I hit it. No, there's three. I call this a retake. Yeah, it's my gun.
Yeah, it doesn't. You want me to fucking make a video with you, but you're jerk.
I put a light bulb in the water. Got it?
Yeah, he hit it almost the cap. Yeah. Wanna go look at it? Yeah, I'm trying to hit the potato, see what happens.
One of the three different low.
Yeah, I know. I'm aiming it up more. Yeah, I'm using this as a tripod for now. Your legs are in the way. I don't know what I hit that time.
Yeah, Dad, I can put a scope on this.
Wow! I hit the potato.
What time is that? Go Chad!
This is what happens with the potato.
And the baseball phone.
I nicked it. That's like that's crazy. That's quite a shot. Alright, load your colors in.
Go put an apple up there.
Go put it. Whoa! Man, with some, they will explode on impact.
Really?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, we should put Chad's door handle up there.
Alright. Alright, don't sit so close to where I lay. What?
It's cold.
Oh. I hit the potato dead on. Bro, that's for a straight hole through it.
Really? Holy!
Fuck. You can go get an apple.
Really?
Alright guys, we're gonna shoot a few more times and then that'll be the end of the video. Again, if you liked it so far and haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to stay notified when we go live, or if I'm making a video like this. Other than that, guys, comment down below what you thought of this. If you want more of us shooting objects, comment what stuff you want us to shoot next time.
Comment what you want to see, what you want to see shoot next.
I just said that.
Yeah, oh, never mind.
And
Listen to the crazy man in his underwear.
you're not in your underwear.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, I do hope you are enjoying my videos. It takes quite a while to make one. I'm in the process of making one, another one right now.
Do a carbon field if you ever Ronnie!
Fucking Christ. Alright, back to the shooting.
Safety off to
money, I've been getting
That's not doing.
After my shot, I'm cutting it back.
Careful. Okay, literally right left.
Like here.
That literally split the apple.
Not halfway, but it went in. So, here's the apple, right?
What we should do? That's mile an hour.
We shot it. It went through. We are not letting this go to waste either. Alright, we're gonna take the shot. I'm gonna light up the cans. I want to take one more shot and see.
Hold on, let me finish. My apple. Guys, I can't shoot money.
Put the apple down. No, Rogan, put the apple down.
Where am I going to put it?
On how I had it.
I don't
Move your hand up a bit more. What do you hit? Hey, can you move so I don't? So there's the hole. There's the first shot I took of the can. The bullet is in, or the pellet is in this one. No, actually it's not. It went out this side. It's fucking nuts.
Line them all up, take a shot.
That's what I just did. Yeah. Up close and go through all of them. Alright guys, as you heard before, like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell. Yeah. Anyway guys, peace!